Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County, Illinois, Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, southeastern Johnson County, Illinois, western Crittenden County, Kentucky, northern Livingston County, Kentucky, central McCracken County, Kentucky. Weather severe thunderstorm warning for 8 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located in Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, southeastern Johnson County, Illinois, 60 miles per hour, County, Kentucky, northern Livingston County, 60 miles per hour, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 7:30 p.m. Threat. At 6:40 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Atlanta to near Metropolis and moving within 60 miles per hour. Carver's Ridge expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Rose Eclair, Joy, Atlanta are indicated threat. Gross, Elizabeth following impacts are expected. Extending damage to Columbia, citing the centuries. This includes the following in place. Interstate 24 Carver's Ridge between Dixon Spring 1 and 2. Metropolis. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 11 and 38. Elizabeth repeating report severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties. Includes the following highways. Interstate 24 in Pope between mile markers 1 and 2 in Kentucky. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 11 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Johnson, Massac, and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden, Livingston, and McCracken.